Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so we see these continual moves down to the area of the 100-day exponential moving average and the daily lower band. They've acted as support on each occasion, on Monday and again in the Globex last night. So our Globex low, 05 half, low from Monday was 2700 half. So they continue to support and defend their roundy. We bounced about 25 handles from the Globex low, the Globex high coming at 33.75, which we printed just a few minutes ago. So, I mean, the reality is, if this is the start of a larger rally back up to retest the daily mid-band, this is kind of the formula that you would seek. You've got effectively a double bottom. You've got multiple attempts to take out the daily lower band and try to create some kind of a lower band ride. The bands aren't really saying to you with this bandwidth that that's really possible. What's more likely is that we continue to do what the mini likes to do. Lower band, middle band, upper band, middle band, lower band. We've been talking about it for a couple of weeks now. So what's next? Middle band. So as long as that 2700 is defended, and as long as 2721 to 2725-ish, right in the area of the daily pivot, are defended today, I'm looking to buy dips for a move up towards 2760. So here is the hourly chart. You can see the hourly mid-band is locked up with the daily pivot in the area of 25. So we had some tight hourly bands. They spilled down. They did a second lower band test on the daily, and now we've hopped back above. If we were going to see more likely continued weakness, then what we would have seen here, in my opinion, is resistance at the hourly midband, and we would be trading somewhere down in the mid-teens, and trying to figure out what this thing wants to do. I have no doubt off the open they're going to try to push it down. I just don't know about their ability to push it past, say, 20 to 21. And if they can't push it past 20 to 21, then that's going to be a buy. Where do they take it from here? Well, you've got to get up above the Globex high. You've got to engage this upper band. And then over the course of the week, I think we head back and retest weekly pivot, daily pivot that failed Sunday night. What happens when we get up there? Well, I will say this. It is entirely up to the bears. We're in a sell rallies market. That's a heck of a rally. In fact, it's a 60-handle rally at that point. What are you going to do, Bears? Are you going to stand in, or are you going to give it up all the way back to the upper band? We'll see. I think the environment is such that the Bears can stand in. This is a two-sided market, and it's a market that is seriously contemplating being more of a let's go down and see areas of the 200-day exponential moving average over the remainder of the year type market. If that's the case, and that's a big if, but if that's the case, then multi-day ramps from the lower Bollinger Band to the middle Bollinger Band need to be rejected, and they need to create lower lows. Neither of those have been something that the Bears have been able to do consistently in the past, 10 years. But they need to start to find their car keys because if they can execute those moves, then they can start to go down to these lower term decision areas like the 200-day. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. We'll be out on social in a little bit. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.